need to cut it. Nah.
I'm about to get you together.
I ain't going to her no more either, bro.
Who?
The chick who did my shit, man.
You don't like how she did it?
Man, hell no.
Hey.
Hell no, bro.
What's wrong? It's straight to me. It's straight.
Man, see, this the thing, bro.
Yeah.
She cold with retwisting.
Yeah.
From the top.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But she ain't good with styling, bro.
Oh, styling. Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? You know how I am about styling shit, bro. My shit always gotta be crispy, bro.
Yeah.
You feel me? And like, she ain't... Man, what the fuck?
Yeah. You ain't happy with it. You want her to put a little bit more.
Yeah, like, you ain't even do no... My shit don't even look strand. It just look twist, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, man, you know what? I ain't fucking with her no more, man. I'm straight.
What she charging?
Bro, basically $1.
That's good. Well, she just probably want the money. Some people just do stuff for the money.
Bro, the fucked up part about it is, bro, she got a fucking clientele.
Yeah.
You feel me?
Yeah.
Like, it ain't like she don't know what she doing, bro.
Yeah.
That's why I'm like, yeah, bro. I'm about to show you, bro.
Yeah.
Man, what the fuck is she doing, man? Look at this shit like, man, bro, don't play me like that.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's hard.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Why my shit don't look like that?
Yeah. That's hard.
Bro, come on, bro. Like, it ain't like she don't know how, bro. It's like, it's like you played me. My shit don't look like that, bro. Don't none of it look like that.
Nah.
And that's my point, bro. I just went 2 days ago, bro. You know what I'm saying? Now the top, you know, with the you know what I'm saying? It's crispy as hell, you can tell. You know what I'm saying? But damn, if you just go, I'm like, nah, I ain't fucking working no more, dog. I'm straight, bro. I'm good. We gonna, you know what I'm saying? Like, I even went back. I only been to her twice, bro.
Yeah.
But the other chick I go to, like, she don't retwist as crispy.
Yeah.
But she style like a motherfucker.
Yeah.
The style be hard, so it's like, even when she do, you know what I'm saying? I can tell, probably can't nobody else tell, but I can tell that, like, her retwist don't be as crispy, but the style, you don't really notice it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.